Okay, hi, this is John Wild. I'm going to have an unboxing of something that I got in the mail today that's kind of precious to me here a little bit. A little explanation is I had one of these when I was a child, and it was like a Halloween decoration, that one of those things you grew up with, looking at every single year and all that, and come to, the holiday is there when this decoration comes out. Well, I had a house fire and I lost almost all the decorations I ever had in this fire. And unfortunately, the original one of these I had lost. So I found one on eBay. I ordered it, came in. You can see I already started unwrapping a little bit because I was removing the address label for privacy concerns. So let's open this up and take a look, see what I got here. I'm going to try to do this with one hand because I'm holding the phone with the other, but I like the environmentally friendly wrapping so far. If you try to send something and you got to wrap it up, try to use this paper, this cardboard paper, paper bag type paper, 100% recyclable. So let's start opening this thing, even with stickers on it. Address labels, you can still recycle it. All right, so let's get this bad boy open here. Like Christmas during Halloween. All right. Hey, yes, I do have the candy corns. I'm very traditionalist when it comes to holidays, that's for sure. All right, let's open this up. See what we got here. Have to do a Scrap Kingdom type of tripod here. Find anything, I guess. Well, it ain't gonna work. So I guess it's one-handed. Here we go. All right. Oh, knock the apples over, would you? All right, so we got that part off. Now we got a lot of tape. So again, look at that, in a cardboard box surround. I love it. No plastics. And people always say, well, I can't recycle that cardboard, it's got tape on it. Yeah, you can. Recycle it anyway. All right. I'm going to put the phone down for a quick second and I'll keep talking. There we go. See? Don't worry. I know it's dark. It's Halloween. Woo! Anyway. Just be a second while you're not missing anything. I'm just cutting the tape. So, and right now, there's always knives everywhere around here until you want one. Then for some reason everyone does things with their knives. All right, hold on here. It's the way around here, I swear. No one does anything they're supposed to. Okay, so, all right, here we go. So, I'm gonna open up the box. I did the tape. Let's see what we got here. Oh boy, I think I see it. All right, for some reason I can't get it out. I don't know what's going on here. So, I'll put the phone down again. Hold on, I know, dark. Ooh, spooky. I got a box open. That's right, we're recycling it. All right, sorry about that. I know that's probably the favorite part of some of y'all is see the box open, but my tripod's someplace else right now. So I got to do this by hand. Taking the tape off. House full of people, not one person even volunteered to hold the phone. All right, here we go. Story of my life in this place. Let's see here. Damn. This person that sent this must have stock in an adhesive company because they went crazy with the tape. All right, so I'm gonna do some more tape cutting here. Hold on. Dang it, man. How about chilling with the tape next time? All right. For some reason, I still can't get it out of the box. It's like they got it taped into the box. Wow. Ooh. Yeah, this is absolutely ridiculous here. People, you don't have to go this crazy on packaging up your stuff. See, I'm almost having to put the phone down yet again. For like a third time because this person went crazy with the tape. Dudes, don't go crazy with the tape. That really just pisses people off. All right, hold on. My God. It's like getting something from my mother. She goes crazy with the tape too. I'm like, chill with the tape. Wow! I cannot believe how much tape this person used. God, it's ridiculous. All right. So, and you know what? So I take the cover out. Now this is what they call plastic popcorn decoration. You might be saying, oh, Eco Guy's plastic. You know, you can say that all you want. You're supposed to keep these things forever, so there should be no problem, right? You know, we don't have really that much against plastics. We just got that much against you throwing them out and not doing the right thing by recycling it. That's the problem we have. Again, look at this. Taped here, tape there, tape there, tape there, tape there. You do not need to tape it that much. Got to put the phone down yet again. People, do not over tape your stuff. That's not environmentally friendly. Okay. When you over tape, you're wasting stuff. All right. So, we open it up. And let's take it out. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Hold on. Again, I have to do this all by myself. There were people here, then they decided just to abandon me. I hope they don't need help because none coming from me. All right, there it is. Wow, this is kind of heavy for me. It was something from my childhood that really, wow. It may be a simple thing to most people, but to me, this is just a memory of my childhood. It's really got me kind of misty-eyed a little. I never thought I'd lay my eyes on another one of these. But this is called popcorn plastic decorations. I mean, they've made back from, I guess, the 1950s through the 80s, pumpkins, ghosts, Santa Clauses, and all kinds of stuff out of this material. Only thing is it's got a hole right there I didn't see when I ordered it, but I guess that's what they use to hang it. When you get a classic thing like this, you know, don't do things like that. It's missing some popcorn there. I might end up buying another one in a little bit better condition eventually down the road, but I just wanted to get one. And this is an original. I would say this is probably 60s right here. There's nothing on the back that says, but easily maybe 60s, early 70s. But there's the unboxing. Sorry, it was kind of a crazy unboxing, but I didn't have a tripod, nor anybody wanted to decide to help me. So, and this person, whoever sent it, over-taped. Don't over-tape. That's not environmentally friendly. Oh, you just need a couple of pieces of tape on things, folks. You don't have to over-tape. Don't do that. Not environmentally friendly. All right, there you go. The unboxing of my pumpkin popcorn, plastic popcorn, vintage Halloween decoration from the mid-70s, I would say, probably. Around in there somewhere. If you ever run into any of these, they are highly collectible. Get it and keep it. Okay, take care. Stay green.